The Quran is called Al-Furqan, that which distinguishes between right and wrong, between truth and falsehood. If you had this book, you wouldn't be involved in same-sex marriage. If you had this book, you would know what is morally acceptable to God and what God rejects, and you would know the gray area which the righteous should not wander into. If you had this book, for this book is Al-Furqan. If you had this book, it would be Al-Dhikr, the reminder or a source of eminence and glory to mankind. See, if you had the book and understood it more, we would be raised from ignominy to eminence with just fair understanding. This book is called Al-Mawiza, the admonition, because this book admonishes us on the things that are right and the things that are proper and the things that represent good manners, courtesy. This book is called Al-Hukm, the judgment, because in this book God delivers his decision against this and that and for this and that. So when you know what is written in this book, and better yet have an understanding, you are armed with good judgment, ijtihad. It is al-hikmat, the wisdom. You can't be a fool and read this book and have even a fair understanding of it. Nobody will be able to make you a fool again with this book in your hands. Could it be that the enemy knows the value of this book, and that's why it's hidden from the eyes and ears of the common people of America? This book is Al-Shifa, the healing. Look at all the diseases spiritually that afflict us and physical diseases, but the cure is in this book. Oh, we should pray, not for knowledge, but for understanding, more understanding of this book. Al-Huda, it is that which guides or makes one attain the goal. It is called Al-Nur, the light. Here's a people that walk in darkness, grows darkness to people. What do you need? We need the light, but not a book without a man. We need a light-giving sun that will illuminate for us the wisdom of the book. It is al-haq. It is the truth. Oh, brothers and sisters, this book belongs to you.